Are you still posting travel videos that look like everyone else's? Like, you just got back from an incredible trip, you've got the photos, you've got the memories. But when it comes to actually showing people where you went and how you got there, you're just slapping together a slideshow with a basic Google Maps screenshot in the corner. And honestly, it looks lazy. Even though the trip was amazing, I was doing this for years. Every travel vlog, every Instagram post, every trip recap, same boring static map. No animation, no storytelling, nothing that actually made someone feel the journey. Then I found Travel Animator. And I know it sounds like it could be one of those cheap, bloated apps. But this thing is genuinely different. So in this review, I'm walking you through exactly how it works, how fast you can make a video, and whether the pro plan is actually worth it, or if you can get by with the free version. Links in the description. Go grab it now. But stick around because there's one feature in this app that I think most travel creators are completely sleeping on. I'll get to that. Let's go. Okay, so let's talk about the actual problem here. Travel content is everywhere now. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everyone's posting trip videos, which means if yours looks like everyone else's, it disappears. And the thing that separates the videos people actually watch from the ones they scroll past? It's the opening, the first 3 seconds. And for a lot of travel creators, that opening is just a phone camera clip, or a static map, or a title card that says My Trip to Bali in some generic font. Now, the professional way to do animated route maps? That used to mean hiring someone, or teaching yourself Adobe After Effects and using a plugin called Geo Layers, which requires an After Effects license that's already $22 a month on its own, plus the plugin cost on top of that. And you need actual animation knowledge to make it look good. It's not a casual thing. Then there's Molt.dev, which does travel map animations in the browser. It's decent, but their premium plans charge per video. So if you're a frequent traveler posting content weekly, the cost adds up fast. PictureMap is another option. Web-based. Looks kind of nice. But their premium caps you at 20 projects a month, which sounds like a lot until you're editing a multi-stop trip and burning through projects in a single afternoon. And Travel Boast? Simple, easy to use. But the map styles are limited, no GPX import. And the export quality is just standard, not the crisp, shareable quality you want for social media in 2026. So the average travel creator is either paying a premium for a tool that caps their output, learning a professional software stack just to animate a route, or settling for content that blends into the noise. That's where Travel Animator comes in. And here's the thing. It's a mobile app, not desktop software, not a complicated web platform. You pull it out on your phone and start making videos in under 5 minutes. And the free version? It actually works. All right, so I downloaded Travel Animator on my phone, iOS and Android, both those web things on my iOS and Android, both available. No desktop required. I opened the app, and the first thing I saw was this big, clean map. Gorgeous. Already, I'm like, okay, this feels different from the other apps. Now, here's the feature I teased earlier, the one I think creators are sleeping on. I opened Google Maps on my phone. I plotted out my actual trip route, the one I took last month through Portugal. Lisbon to Porto with a stop in Coimbra. I copied that Google Maps link, switched back to Travel Animator, tapped the routes icon at the top, selected Paste Link, and it just plotted my entire route automatically, like the exact roads I drove, the exact stops, all of it, pulled straight from Google Maps into an animated map in about 2 seconds. That's the feature, right there. No manual pin dropping, no guessing coordinates. You just use Google Maps, please, which you're already using to plan your trip, and Travel Animator turns it into an animation. Okay, so now I've got my route on the map. Next thing, I picked a vehicle model, and this is where the pro version starts to shine, but let me show you the free version first. On the free plan, you get basic vehicle models. A car, a plane, a couple others. It's fine, it works. The animation plays smoothly. But on Pro, there are over 150 3D models. Planes, trains, camper vans, motorcycles, cruise ships, hot air balloons, you name it. And they're not flat icons. They're actual 3D animated models that move along your route. I picked a camper van, because that's what I actually drove, and watched the preview, and honestly, it looked incredible. The van drives along the route, the map scrolls to follow it, the stops light up one by one. It's the kind of thing that stops someone mid-scroll on Instagram. Then I added photos. This is another killer feature. I tapped on each stop, Lisbon, Coimbra, Porto, and added actual photos from my trip. They pop up during the animation at each location. So now it's not just a route animation, it's a story. Your route, your photos, all in one video. I also swapped the map style. Travel Animator has over 30 map styles: flat 2D maps, 3D globe views, satellite, even seasonal themes like winter maps. I went with a clean flat style for the Instagram version and a 3D globe for the YouTube intro. When I was happy with it, I hit export. On the free plan, you get HD resolution. On Pro, you can export in 4K, and on Pro, the watermark is removed. The whole process, from pasting the Google Maps link to having a finished video, took me about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. For something that used to take hours. So how does this fit into a real travel creator's workflow? For me, it's become the first thing I do after a trip. Before I even edit my main vlog footage, I open Travel Animator and create the route animation. It takes 5 minutes, and now I've got a polished intro, or a standalone clip, that I can drop into any video or post. It's not replacing your main editing software, it's the cherry on top. The thing that makes your content look 10 times more professional with almost zero extra effort. And since it's a mobile app, you can literally do this on the plane home, or in the airport, or while you're waiting for your luggage. You've got your Google Maps history right there on your phone. Just copy the link and go. There's no desktop version or Chrome extension, it's purely mobile, but that's actually a feature, not a bug. Travel content creation happens on the go. This tool meets you where you are. The app is also pretty intuitive. There's a learning curve, but it's shallow. The steps are clearly laid out. Then, add a starting point, add a destination, adjust the path, customize with models and photos. Even if you've never used an animation tool before, you can figure this out in your first session. They also have a forum and a resource hub on their website with tutorials and guides. So if you get stuck, there's actually help available, not just a dead FAQ page. And here's something worth noting. Travel Animator was a top post on Product Hunt, which means it's got real community traction. People are actively using it, giving feedback, and the team is clearly listening. The app gets updated regularly with new models, new map styles, and new features. Oh, and if you're an influencer with over 1 million followers, they'll give you free premium models, which is a nice touch. Okay, real talk, pros and cons. Pros. 1. The Google Maps integration is a game changer. Copy a link, paste it, and your entire route animates automatically. No other app in this space does this as smoothly. This alone is worth downloading the app. 2. The free version is genuinely usable. HD exports, route plotting, basic models. You can make real, shareable content without paying a single dollar. Most apps in this space cripple the free tier. Travel Animator doesn't. 3. The Pro plan is absurdly cheap. The yearly plan works out to $7.85 total. That's 15 cents a week. For unlimited 4K exports, over 150 3D models, 30-plus map styles, and no watermark. That's basically nothing. 4. It's mobile first. In a world where travel creators are constantly on the move, having a powerful animation tool on your phone, not locked to a desktop, is a massive advantage. 5. The photo integration turns a route animation into an actual story. It's not just a map moving. It's your journey, told visually. Cons. 1. It's mobile only. If you want to create travel animations on your desktop or laptop, say while editing a video in Premiere Pro, Travel Animator isn't there, you'd have to create it on your phone and transfer the file over. 2. The free plan only saves one route. So if you're working on multiple trips at once, you'll need Pro to save more than one project at a time. 3. The free plan has a watermark, which is fine for personal use or quick shares, but if you're posting professionally to a YouTube channel or a client, you'll want Pro to remove it. 4. It's not for complex, cinematic animations. If you want full camera control, custom 3D environments, or cinematic-level storytelling, you'd need something like After Effects. Travel Animator is for fast, polished, shareable route animations, not feature films. Who this is not for If you're a professional video editor who needs full creative control over every frame, stick with After Effects and Geo layers. If you don't travel or create travel content, this is pretty nush. It's specifically built for route animations, not general video editing. And if you need to create travel animations on a desktop as part of a larger editing workflow, the mobile-only limitation might be a deal breaker. All right, final verdict. Who should download Travel Animator? You should download it if you're a travel blogger or YouTuber who wants polished route animations without learning animation software. A content creator on Instagram or TikTok who wants videos that actually stop the scroll. Someone who travels frequently and wants to document trips visually with almost no effort. A travel agency or business that needs professional-looking route content fast. Anyone who's ever thought, I wish I could animate my Google Maps route. Who should skip it? Skip it if you need full cinematic control over your animations, don't create travel content at all, need a desktop-based tool that integrates into your existing video editing workflow. For me, Travel Animator is one of the best bang-for-your-buck apps I've found in a long time. The free version alone is better than what most competitors charge for. And the Pro plan, at $7.85 for a full year, is honestly one of the cheapest subscriptions I've ever paid for something I actually use regularly. Here's what I'd say. Download the free version first, make one video, see how it looks. If it blows you away like it blew me away, and I think it will, upgrade to the yearly Pro plan. It's less than the price of a single coffee. And honestly, even if you only make 1 or 2 travel videos a year, 15 cents a week is nothing for the quality you get back. Grab it through my link in the show notes. It helps support the podcast, and you'll land right on the download page. And hey, if you're already using Travel Animator or you've got questions after watching this, drop a comment. I read every single one. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you next time.